All right, this is part 2 on how to unblock and open your third eye chakra. In this meditation, we are going to connect deeply into our intuition and trust in the bigger vision of our dreams and our lives. We're going to begin on the side of the hand, just right here. I am not intuitive. I feel really disconnected from my intuition. Because if I were intuitive, I wouldn't feel this lost. If I were intuitive, I wouldn't feel so uninspired. I feel so lost. My intuition is meant to guide me. My angels and spirit guides are meant to illuminate the path for me. But I cannot feel them. Even though I feel this way, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I feel disconnected from my intuitive powers, I accept this is where I am. Okay, now let's start tapping through the points. I am not intuitive. I don't know what it feels like to be intuitive. My third eye chakra is so blocked. It is so closed. Because I feel stuck. I feel really alone. I feel unsupported by everything and everyone. Where are my angels and guides when I need them? Where is my higher self? I can't hear them. I can't see them. And I can't feel them. All these blockages in my third eye chakra. I don't trust my intuition, which means I don't trust the universe. I have all these visions about my future. I want to do a lot of things. I want to manifest all my desires. But I don't know if they're meant for me. I don't know if that is what life is supposed to look like for me. Even though I'm feeling confused about life, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. And I'm allowing myself to learn. Learn how to tap into my inner power. And open my third eye chakra. So I can receive the intuitive hits from the universe. Even though a part of me still feels like it's difficult to trust my intuition, I forgive myself for feeling this way. It's okay. I'm learning to open myself up to my inner wisdom. I'm allowing myself to connect to my intuition deeply. It's safe to release this block in my third eye chakra. I'm open to seeing life clearly through my third eye. All these fears and anxiety I feel about opening my third eye. What if I start seeing visions I don't like? What if I start feeling fearful intuitive hits? I acknowledge all these fears. I don't know where they came from. But I am feeling them, and it's okay. I trust that the universe will only show me things I'm ready to see. I know that intuition is not the same as fear. So I'm choosing to trust my intuition now. I'm allowing my third eye to open. I choose to trust my inner guidance. I choose to listen to my angels, my spirit guides, and my higher self. My intuition is strong and reliable. I trust the guidance that comes from my third eye. I feel certain about my dreams and desires. Now that I'm connected to my intuition, I know what is best for me. And if I desire a dream so strongly, I know that it's meant for me. I can visualize my life so clearly. And I'm confident in trusting my third eye chakra. I can visualize my dream life so clearly. And I'm open to trusting my third eye chakra. Whew, that was a tongue twister, the last one. I hope this helps you to feel more comfortable in visualizing your dream life, no matter how big it is, and to receive guidance from your angels, your spirit guides, your higher self. It's really not that scary. I used to feel really scared about opening my third eye chakra, but now that I have, I feel so connected to myself, my soul, my angels, my guides, my intuition. And do this as much as you want until you feel comfortable in connecting with your intuition and feeling those intuitive hits. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for tapping along with me. Bye.